We start by creating a new project, running the corresponding command and indicating the name of the file in its folder. We see how the project window appears on the right side of the screen. Next, we will examine the point code database that will allow us to draw entities automatically based on the point codes. We select the tree code and check that it is of point type or block defined by a point. For each point that has the tree code, a block of the same name will be inserted in the trees layer, with green color and scale 1. We now choose the path code and see that it is of line type, so that a polyline will be drawn joining the points with this code in the path layer, with white color and continuous line type. We now proceed to import the points. We choose the generic format that indicates that in the points file each line contains its number, x, y, z coordinates and optional code, with space separator. We also select an appropriate scale, which affects only the size of the text, and activate the options draw from codes and classify points by levels. We choose the coordinate file and press OK. We check that some blocks and polylines have been drawn in addition to the points, all depending on the codes. We continue to obtain a list of the points of the drawing. We choose the All option and examine the data. Now let's customize the symbology. To do this, we enter the command to change format and indicate that we are going to modify it globally for all points. We change the number of decimal places of the elevations and activate the 3D drawing option. We accept and check that the elevations now appear to 3 decimal places. We could also have modified the point symbol, the colors of its attributes, etc. Then we will draw a path that has constant width and of which we have collected only one side in the field. We run the displaced parallel command within the breaklines menu. We indicate the name of the new layer to be created, and choose that the new points will belong to the break level, so that they are considered in the triangulation. We also specify that the elevations for the new points will be the same as those for the respective original point. We accept and graphically designate the points that define the path we have taken, in sequential order. We finish by pressing the right mouse button, and graphically choose the side to create the new points, and indicate the distance of the parallel line. We see that the points and the line on the other side of the road have been created. Now let's draw new break lines using other methods. We start by creating lines from point numbers. We run the command with that name and create a new layer, choosing its color. We accept and enter point numbers that must be joined, for example 99 with 21 and 92 with 22. We repeat the process by creating another new layer. And once again we create a new layer for the slope low points, joining other points. With this process, the configuration of the drawing and break lines would be finished. Finally, we saved the drawing and added it to the current project initially created.